Okay, installing the bearings is pretty easy. You just slip them onto the shaft, and I already put the first one in. The second one is still sticking out here a little bit. Then you take the bushing, the stock bushing, which we're replacing, and you just put it on there. And then you take a little hammer, a little screwdriver, and go tap, 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 tap. I can't show you because I've only got two hands here. But then you do that, and that will get the bearings pushed back in there. Now, part of the trick is this shaft has got some free play on it. Now, in order to get it all the way properly mounted, you've got to pull the shaft all the way out, because when the bushing goes in, there's a groove in the shaft here that holds the last one of the three parts. Is this aluminum bit here that is designed to hold the shaft in place when those little bearings are in there, because the two of the bearings that are in the kit are just a little bit shorter than this stock bushing, even though they provide better support. So that black aluminum bit here takes up that extra space. And there's a groove in the shaft here that this clip where is it? There's a clip that goes on here. There it is. Okay, that clip goes on. There's a little washer, and then the clip goes on the groove. And you've got to make sure that the shaft is pulled all the way out, or else the clip can't go in the groove, and that would be bad. And the reason this is all there is just to hold it in place, because otherwise the shaft can go boom like that and rub on the other side of the engine on the clutch basket, and that would be bad. So there's a complete little washer there, just provide the spacing. So put that in too.